Help video solving linear rational equations. So first we're going to solve for or find our LCD. And it's going to be, well, 5 and 6, you guys, they both go into 30, right? That's the smallest number they both can go into. So, I might have to situate this. So what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite both of these. And we're going to multiply both sides by the LCD. So once you guys find the least common denominator, multiplies both sides by the LCD, which is going to be 30. So what we can do is we can cancel off this 30 with this 5, so that would just leave 6 up here and 1 on the bottom. And for this, you guys, we could cancel off the 6's from top and bottom. So 6 goes into 6 once, 6 goes into 30 5 times. So what we really have is 6 times 4x plus 1 is equal to, I'm just going to put the 5 in front, you guys, 5x plus 8. Now we are going to distribute to both. 6 times 4x is 24x, 6 times 1 is 6, and we have 5 times 5, you guys, which is 25x, and 5 times 8, which is 40. Now, let's get the variables on one side, and now look, we're dealing with linear functions, right? The highest degree is 1 for both sides, so let's get the x variables on the left-hand side. And let's get the constants on the other side. Divide both by -1, and x is going to equal to -34. Okay. Alright, so let's go to number 2. Yikes. So there's number 2. LCD is going to be 2 times x plus 3. So we are going to multiply both sides by 2 times x plus 3 to both sides. This will help us because we can cancel, you guys. The x plus 3's cancel on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, the 2's cancel. So we just are left with 2 times 3x plus 7 equals 7 times x plus 3. Okay, let's distribute. 2 times 3x is 6x, 2 times 7 is 14, 7 times x is 7x, 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, so again, all these problems are dealing with linear equations, so you just need to get variables on one side and constants on the other. Divide both by -1, and x is going to equal to -7. And lastly, number 3. Okay, so it's going to, least common denominator is going to be 4x minus 6 and x minus 9. So we're going to multiply both sides by that. Times that. And times this side by that as well. Cancel, 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 cancel. So what do we got left on the left-hand side? We got 5 times x minus 9, right? And 2 times 4x minus 6. Let's distribute. 5x minus 45 is equal to 2 times 4x is 8x, 2 times -6 is -12. Let's get variables on one side, so I'm going to Subtract both sides by 8x. I always like having it on the left-hand side, you guys. Let's add both sides by 45. So variables on the left-hand side and constants on the right-hand side. Let's divide both by -3, and x is going to equal to -11. So those are the several examples you guys will see on your guys' homework assignment.